Okay, so I know we did number 4 already, but we're going to do it again. So the first thing you need to do is find the slope of the line and make sure it's parallel. So my slope is 1. Parallel to 1 is also 1. So you use your parallel slope and you use your point, and we're going to fill into the point slope formula. So the y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we do y minus 2 equals 1 times x minus 2. So we distribute. Y minus 2 equals x minus 2. We add 2 to both sides, and we get y equals x. And that's the line that's a parallel to y equals x plus 4 passing through the point 2, 2. So we do the same thing with perpendicular. My original slope is 1/8. And like we talked about today, perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal. So perpendicular to 1/8 is -8. So we'll use this slope and this ordered pair to fill into our point slope formula again. So we're going to do y minus, and this time it's a 5, so we're going to -5. We're going to put in -5 equals -8 times x minus 1. I like to put the double negative here, and a double negative is going to change to a positive. So I'll make that one big plus sign. And then we finish it off like we did. Distribute, just solve for y. Y plus 5 equals -8 plus 8. Sorry, -8x plus 8. Subtract 5 from both sides. So the equation that's perpendicular is y equals -8x plus 3. Now number 6 is a little bit different, because on number 6 we're going to have to actually take, this is in standard form. I need to make sure it's in slope intercept form to find my slope. There is a way to find the slope in standard form, but let's just practice solving for y. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I get 3y equals -2x plus 12. We'll divide by 3 to everything. And so my equation is y equals -2/3 x plus 4. So we start the same process. My original slope of my equation is m is -2/3. Perpendicular to that then, again, opposite reciprocal, so I'm going to have 3/2. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to take your perpendicular slope, you're going to take your ordered pair, and we're going to fill it into the point slope formula. So we're going to do y minus 1 equals 3/2 times the quantity of x minus 3. And then we'll take this and distribute. And so I get y minus 1 equals 3/2 x minus 9/2. We will add 1 to both sides. And then we will get y equals, make sure you can see the whole thing, 3/2 x. Now we had a good question in class about leaving things as decimals or fractions. Because this problem already has some fractional answers in it, I'm going to change my answer back to be a fraction. So -7/2. But if you'd prefer to leave the decimal answers, that would be fine too. As long as you're not repeating decimals, I'm okay with decimal answers. But once you get into the 0.3 repeating, I'd prefer that you change that like into 1/3. So I hope this was helpful. Don't worry, I'll take care of things tomorrow if you still need some help, and we do have more practice time tomorrow. I already have that scheduled in. Hope you can finish your homework now.